The universe is a vast, ever-expanding cosmos of matter, a system beyond our comprehension. Central to this cosmos are inherent laws which also deeply correlate to every aspect of our collective consciousness. The laws of attraction, and becoming aware of them as we begin to understand nature, humanity, energy, magical vibrations of minutest to the most life-changing moments in order to accomplish our goals. World-renowned makeup and beauty expert Ashmeen Munjal is famous for her successful works as a cosmetologist and a beauty entrepreneur for more than 2 decades. She has transformed her inner self and realized her vision by strengthening and guiding people, enhancing their inner beauty and motivating them to become achievers in their own right. A firm believer in gratitude and transformation, an ace educator, mother, and successful entrepreneur, Ashmeen cites her own example and urges everyone to use the tools of philosophy and human psychology to boost confidence and positivity.
अगर मैं पूछूं कि आप थैंकफुल हैं, आप बोलेंगे हाँ मैं तो बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ। ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही होता है कि जैसे एक बच्चे को पूछे कि आप पढ़े लिखे हैं, तो बच्चा बोलेगा हाँ मुझे आता है ABCD. But thankfulness, gratitude is all about starting from ABCD and going till PhD. And the more and more you practice this power, more and more you become a magician of your life.
Whilst practicing and using her knowledge of ontology and continuing motivational discourses to empower people from all walks of life, led to a turning point of achieving another milestone: the birth of Shukrana Gratitude Foundation.
The Shukrana Gratitude Foundation, all the members are like-minded. Those who believe in being thankful. थैंकफुल सबसे पहले अपने इन सेंसेस के लिए, जो हमें आंखें मिली, हमें कान मिले, नाक मिला, मुंह में ये हमारे दांत मिले, जुबान मिली, हमारे हाथ पैर, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे यूनिवर्स के बाकी जो हमें एलिमेंट्स जो हर समय सपोर्ट करते हैं, हमारे माता, हमारे पिता, हमारे बॉस, हमारे एम्प्लॉयर्स, हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़, हमारी टीम्स. हाउ यू कैन बी थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ देम. बीइंग थैंकफुल टू आवर रिलेशनशिप्स, being thankful for the money that we have, being thankful for the health that we have. How to be thankful? We think we are thankful, but yes, we can take it to the much higher levels. So this foundation is built up to ignite this power inside you, you becoming the magician and you fulfilling all the dreams of your life. कौन से dreams? जो आपके दिल से आप देखते हैं.
Shukrana Gratitude Foundation started as a brainchild of those who had witnessed miracles and realized transformation in their own lives by practicing in a unique way of living, practicing gratitude. They formed Shukrana Gratitude Foundation.
If you are thankful for the things you are given, abundance of that thing will be given to you. And if you are complaining or unthankful for the thing you are given, even जो आपको दिया गया है वो भी यूनिवर्स वापस ले लेगा. This is the law of the universe. And in this 30 days of practice, where we will be practicing in different areas of our life. कुछ important areas होते हैं जैसे पैसा, money, earning is very important area. Relationships अपने parents के साथ, sibling के साथ, society के साथ, colleagues के साथ, हर जगह आपके relationship prevail करते हैं. क्या relationships आपके जो हैं वो बहुत workable हैं या कुछ उसमें unworkability चल रही है. The more the unworkability, more displeasure, more unhappiness around you. आपकी fitness, आपकी health, आपके बाल, आपकी skin, everywhere. So we will be practicing gratitude in all the areas of your life.
The foundation carries out free courses which are being led by volunteers who believe in gratitude and practicing it. They teach the importance of gratitude in living, how to support each other with gratitude.
We at Shukrana Gratitude Foundation, our mission is to spread gratitude in each and every home. दुनिया का हर इंसान, भारत का हर इंसान, हर बच्चा अपने आप में शुक्रगुजार इंसान है। उसको इस पावर का पता है, इस मैजिक का पता है, उसको पता है अपने सपने सच कैसे करने हैं, कैसे अपनी ज़िंदगी में वर्केबिलिटी लानी है, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स में, पैसों की दुनिया में, हेल्थ की दुनिया में, करियर की दुनिया में, हर जगह उसको वो मिल रहा है जो उसका दिल चाहता है, थ्रू द पावर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड।